Right, we guys. Whoa. Okay. Okay. You're all right. Come on, Nick. Come on. Ready? You ready? Right here. Yes, good boy. You all done? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Are you okay, Melvin? Are you okay, Melvin? Are you coming up here too? Hello. Hello, love. Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yeah, sure. He's such a good boy. Oh, he's tired. Oh, Melvin, are you sleeping? Oh, you okay, we love? Oh, I think Melvin just wanted to go to bed, Milo. Mm. You going to go to bed too? You going to go back to do with your brother? Mm. Ah. It's sleepy time. Yes. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, sure. Such a nice boy. But we called you. Yeah, everybody's nice and toasty. I'm gonna go lie down, Melvin. You okay, we love? Oh, he's a good boy. He's a good boy. You sleepy, we love that.